I say most of it's Chester's.
It is?
Yes.
Chester?
Chester's right there.
Yeah, I know, but earlier. Hello?
Oh, why me?
Because you're going to go for free hand. Does it look like I got a free hand?
It's not actually my home, but.
Let me look the dog out.
Yeah.
Where is the dog? Oh, it's in. I'll go get her.
No. This one.
Come on.
Hi, baby. You want to eat? Okay, will you give her 2 scoops of that food right there?
What food? What food? This
Right
one?
in front of your nose.
It's supposed to be wet, I thought. Where's your dog food?
Over here. Go over here. Yeah.
Oh, I see it. As a label.
What? Yeah, hold on. Really, you hooch?
Ew, that's gross.
Ew, you're gross.
What wet dog food? No.
What it is? We have to drink. What are you
No.
thirsty for?
No.
Milk? Kylie?
I don't really care.
Did you see a picture?
No, I was seeing. It's all gone. All the wet dog food's gone.
That's the wet dog.
Like she wants to kiss it.
Why not so much the regular dog food?
That's what I do. I'm just saying.
Well, it's like
All dogs like to run. If you were to get Bella wet or dry, she'd be wet first.
why?
They just like it better.
All dogs?
All dogs.
There's not one dog that doesn't eat it
Where's
first.
the blanket?
Come along.
Hold on.
I know, we're going to take, what's her name? Jasmine out.
You don't even know your own dog's name? How rude are you? How rude.
And we're going to, I bought her some stuff. And Hoochie Mama. Olivia, the last time you put it on, you put it on the wrong thing.
Where'd you put it on?
On the little small one that you
The
put.
big one I got for them?
Yes. Wait till she's done. Wait till she's done eating. And this is what happens when you put it on the small one. The hooch.
That one.
Now I gotta find another key ring. Another ring for it to put her stuff on.
Yes?
Yep.
Hey, don't slap it on.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheetah!
She's supposed to. Yeah. You eat your dinner, don't you? Jasmine, let's go outside. Here, let's put your thing on.
Outside we go.
We got a new thing for her too.
What?
Harness.
A harness?
Yeah.
What's a harness?
Let's put it in.
You don't know what a harness is? Oh!
Oh, yeah, where are you?
Where's the other 2 dogs? I'm gonna go pet Chester. Okay, I won't. Chester? Hi. Hi. Are you taking a picture? Go. Take a picture. Got it. Kendra, we're coming.
Santa, we're coming. Holy hair.
Yeah, holy hair.
Yeah, we're
All 3 dogs.
Oh, 3 dogs. 3 dogs.
How much it snowed? Can you believe that?
It didn't snow. It's his fur. It's his fur. Why do you shed so much?
The thing might be dirty.
Where are you going?
See if the thing's dirty.
I'll be quiet over there.
Jasmine?
Oh, there's poop.
Jasmine.
Will you stop mooing, calves? Oh. Yeah, it probably is a little. Is it dry or is it wet? Where's the bird poop? Oh,
Can you see it?
yeah.
But not right here.
Yeah, I'm not sitting on it. You can go ahead. Oh, the horses! I forgot all about the horses. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay. Be careful when you walk over that way because that's supposed to poop.
Okay.
There's a lot of dog poop. I haven't cleaned up in a while.
Fuck him.
I'm following Kimmy because I want to get dog poop.
You want to get?
Stop eating that. You just ate the pig.
She wants more.
Let's go, Jasmine. Let's go poop.
Wait, she goes by the horses?
She goes right in here, this area.
I'm gonna go.
From here to the right there. To this
I'm
area.
gonna go see the horses. I'm sorry, guys. It's hard to see. It's daylight out. There they are. Let's go. So I'm gonna run. What is he doing?
You're supposed to like.
Jasmine.
You're supposed to give you kissies, doggy kissies, right? Right, Jasmine.
Take a picture of Jasmine.
Her butt.
No!
Oh, look at my cute dog. Oh, that's her butt.
That would be funny.
So go on that side, take a picture of her.
She keeps turning. Okay. Ah! Okay. Good dog.
Good.
Oh, your puppy breath. Ugh.
Well, she just did just saying. She's just listening. She's giving kisses. She's telling you she likes you.
Yeah.
Right, Jasmine? Okay, let's go poop. Come on, let's go poop. We can try your new harness on. And I got a treat for you. And Chester and Thunder. Come on. Let's go poop.
And she's got set time. You can babies tell when they're about to go.
Let's sneak around a little bit.
I think she is.
Get ready. So you can tell by the walk.
Such a happy moment.
There's some right there. There's some right there. There's like 3 here, there, and there.
There.
You should have warned me.
Hey, come
Jasmine.
over here.
Jasmine, go poop.
Yes, go poop. Right there. Out this way? There's not, right?
They're back in the sun. What's she doing?
Bill or Louis, the one in the middle. See, he's got dark hair right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, are we gonna go somewhere else? So or is she gonna poop right here?
I don't know. Let's see. Right here. Jasmine, let's go poop. Jasmine, come on. Come on. Hey, let's go poop. Go poop. No, there's a lot of poop around here. You gotta come on, get this on. Come on. No, come on. Come on, let's go poop. Try your harness on. Come on.
Why would you get her highness?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
You just don't want to go, do you?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, what do you sniff?
Come on, let's go poop.
Come on, Jasmine. Jasmine.
Go poop. You might not know.
Why?
You're a little excited. Go poop. Go poop. Come on. Let's go.
Hey,
Go
she
poop.
should go
Go
poop.
poop.
Whoa, this is why. Maybe a bee.
A girl can I even do this? Watch.
It's like you can't even do that.
I can.
I really do a cartwheel. I am being nice.
I can do a cartwheel, Tyler.
Well, I know you can do a cartwheel, but
See?
Good job.
that was pretty good. I can't do cartwheels as good because
I can. I'm better than her.
are you going back inside?
Yeah.
Because dog won't go to the bathroom.
Can I put my face on that picture?
You guys can wash your hands. Will you unhook her? I gotta go outside. I gotta go in my car and get some stuff. Actually, you can come out here and help me. Put your phone down.
Okay. Bye.